Okay, this is going to be a quick video for the first year students on how to register for classes at the North Carolina Central University School of Law. Registration itself is fairly easy, but with a few computer tricks, you can actually cut some time off in terms of how long it takes you to register, helping you get the classes that you need to get. First thing you need to do is open up a web browser. Now, even though we're using Mac OS X here, the same types of tricks will work on Windows as well. You'll just have to figure out what keys to hit for it to work on your computer. So I've opened up Mozilla Firefox on my Mac, and we're going to go to Banner, where we go ahead and log in to register for our classes. So here we are on the NCCU webpage. I'm going to go ahead and log into the intranet here. Alright, we're now inside my EOL, or intranet system, and I'm going to click the banner SSB, which stands for self-service banner. It's a little redundant, but hey, that's how it works. Okay, once you're inside of here, you'll click Student and Financial Aid, you'll click Registration, and what you want to do is, instead of clicking Add Drop Classes, which is what people naturally want to do, instead click Look Up Classes to Add. Alright, you're going to select your term, which in this case will be Fall 2011. Click Submit. Then we're going to go over here in this little subject box and scroll down until you can select Law. There's Law. Click it, scroll down here, and click Class Search. Now, this will give you all of the available law classes. You see here, this is the maximum capacity. This is how many have actually been signed up, and this is how many seats are left. This is the column you want to pay attention to. I've already registered for my classes, so we're just going to pick a few at random. We'll pick intellectual property and negotiation. Neither of these will work because it's going to put me over capacity. But if this were your schedule, you would check all of the classes you want to register for, and then scroll down to the bottom and click Register. You'll do this around 7:30, 7:35 in the morning, so that when you hit the register button, you're going to go to this alternate pin screen. Now, you'll see my pin is already here because I've registered, but you won't see yours yet because the pins don't get posted until about 8 o'clock in the morning. Alright, so you're going to be stuck here at this screen, and you're going to open a separate browser window. So in this case, I'm going to open Safari instead. Again, if you're on Windows, just opening a new window in Internet Explorer or whatever you use will use the same thing. But the key point is that when you have these two separate browser windows open, if you hit on a Mac the Command button and the Tab button, you'll see you'll have a little app switcher here. So you hit Command Tab and you can switch back and forth between the two browsers. This will be important later. Okay, we are going to log in to Twin, which is where your pin will be posted. So we're on the Twin page here. Punch in my username. We'll put in my password, and we'll go ahead and log in. Okay, once you're here, you will click on the Twin link, and then you'll scroll down until you see the Law School Registrar Twin page. Once you're there, click the Discussions link on the side. After that, click the discussion forum. Okay, now, when your pins are posted at approximately 8 o'clock, it might be a few minutes before or might be a few minutes after. What you want to do is keep refreshing this page about every 30-45 seconds. Eventually, you're going to see an entry that looks similar to this. This is where the 3Ls and the 4LEs got our pins. When the 1L, 2L link comes up, you'll click this, and what you'll see here is this little attachment near this paperclip. Don't download the attachment. It takes too long. What you want to see instead is click the HTML version. What that's going to do is open a separate browser window with everybody's pin, everyone's ID. So you'll click Command F or Control F, depending on what you're on, and type in the last 5 digits of your banner number. So in this case, I'm 24405. All of a sudden, it drops me down here. I see that this is my PIN number. I double click it so it highlights the whole number. I hit Command C to copy it. I hit the Command Tab to switch to Firefox. I hit Command C to paste, and I hit submit. You can do all of this in the span of about a second. And what that will do is bring you in here to actually register you for classes. Now in this case, it's going to you'll see this error here at the bottom because of course I've already registered, so I'm over my maximum hours. But if you've registered properly, what you'll do is it will show you all the classes that you've registered for, and voila, you are all registered for your 2L fall semester. Hopefully that will help. This concludes the quick tutorial. I'll post this on YouTube so y'all can see it, and best of luck getting the classes you want registered.